Hi, my name is Sohail Younesi. The topic I'd like to talk about today is academic intervention. Um, there's a game called 20 Questions that I really like. And the reason why I like this is because it's competitive and very engaging and interactive for especially high school students, which I would be teaching. Um, the game is played with the whole class, or it could be played with part of the class, depending on how large the class is. I think it's better playing it with the whole class because when you play it with the whole class, it's just more fun, and you'll realize why once I start to talk about how the game's worked. Uh, Either yourself or the students could pick a topic. I mean, not a topic, a subject, such as math, history, reading, grammar, whatever the case may be. The example I'm going to use today will be for, let's say, world history. And the students get to pick three topics, and the teacher approves the topics. The examples of the topics, let's say, would be names of people that are relevant in world history, events that happened in world history, and the dates or times that they occurred in world history. Then once the topics are picked, one student goes at a time and, let's say, picks one of the topics. For example, events. So let's say the student John picks events as a topic. He would then pick a certain event that happened in world history. Let's say, for example, the Holocaust. And he would then tell all the students that I am thinking about an event that happened in world history. But he wouldn't say what the event is, of course. Then all the students get to ask questions that are relevant to the event. So they would ask, let's say, for example, when did the event occur? What time period? How long was the event for? Who participated in that event? What kind of people were in that event? And each student gets to ask one question at a time. And by asking this question, eventually you get closer to figuring out what the event was. So let's say if it was the Holocaust, a student would say, who was an important figure in this event? And let's say John would answer Adolf Hitler. So that would kind of give the answer away that it was the Holocaust. If any student at any time can give the answer once the questions are being asked, and each student gets to ask one question at a time. If the answer is not found within 20 questions, hence the game is called 20 questions, then the game is over. So it's assumed that the answer will be figured out less than 20 questions. Again, it's very competitive. High school students love it. It's engaging, interactive, a great way for high school students to learn. And I look forward to using it when I teach high school students. Thank you.